Hi there, my followers and subscribers. Today I wanted to start the chart reading with you. I found this beautiful doily online. I don't know who the designer is, but I thought it's quite a really nice doily to start with because it seems to be simple, using very simple stitches, but little bit anyways complicated in following all the rows. So I printed it out. The chart will be available for you by the link under the video, and I prefer to mark in the chart the fulfilled rounds. I will show you later how it's gonna look like. So let's see what kind of stitches we're going to use here. So you will see many of those ones in places where it is needed to be a connection stitch or a slip stitch, it is called. Lots of chain stitches, or sometimes I call them loops. Single crochet, they are very small ones. You can see them here everywhere. Double crochet, like in here, in here. Treble crochet, many of them here also in connection areas. And double treble crochet, which is used with 5 times yarn overs. I don't like these titles actually, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just going to tell you how many times you need to yarn over. Like treble crochet, everybody knows it, and double crochet. Half double crochet, which we don't use it here. So some simple stitches, but when there is many loops over and yarns over the hook, I prefer not to give them so long titles. You need them in case you find free of charge chart like I did this time, and sometimes they are having abbreviations, descriptions to the charts. I have all those tables. Please let me know if you need them. I will download them for you. I'm doing this type of the video for the first time. So what I'm going to do is showing you step by step where to start the round, why we start the round here, and so on. And then I'm going to ask you, please, if you have any ideas how to improve, how more, like how information you prefer to be given to you. Do you like it or not? Any flaws or any ideas, please let me know if it's okay for you or not. My explanation, and the way how I'm showing to you all those things. This chart was like, I prefer sometimes to do the charts myself, to redraw them. This one was pretty neat. It's very accurate, even though it had some flaws which I tried to fix and erase. Anyways, I will try step by step to show you how to make this doily. I'm personally me doing this doily for the first time. I've never done this before, so it will be quite a journey for me together with you. I don't know the final result, so I'm really excited to start it because I think it's really pretty. So let's start.